He's mad too.
Fight's ready.
I'm just,
Are you winning, son?
just boosting your KD right now, that's all I'm doing.
I guess. I don't know. Thanks? Question mark.
Alright, since
I mean, it's currently. I currently died once.
you're a net,
2 kills, so
net
I'm sitting at
positive.
1.
Do I pull? Net
You
positive?
win this fight and you return
Is that
to the
how we're
front
gonna
line.
raise my
If you
KD?
lose, you're done
Get 2
here.
kills, I'll just pull it.
Could you hurry up and win the gulag? Come on.
Hey, fuck.
Wow.
Thank God.
You're going back to the front line. You've earned it.
Finally won. You want to land military? Oh, look out.
Enemy helo.
Mr. President
I'm
Goodell.
gonna steal it.
I don't think you're stealing that, Chief. That's...
Don't look at me!
Yeah, I don't know about that one.
God.
I don't think I want to go this way anymore. Is
I think no guns either. He's so fucked.
he still chasing you through the field? Like, what? Oh, he got out!
Oh my god!
Got the helicopter!
What the fuck?
Go, go, go!
Get in! Get in! Get in!
Where are you? Oh, there you are! Go, go, go!
How
that
on
here?
earth? How on earth?
How
did
did
they
that
not kill you?
happen?
That was hilarious.
There's a big building here now. I've never been over
Moving
here
over here.
since the new one.
Yeah, I'm actually built different.
I don't know.
I think those guys are just fucking autistic. I think what's going on there.
Joe literally saw what I did and
I don't know
Joe's,
why he just gave you the heli. I don't understand.
Joe's dumbfounded. Don't worry. Don't worry about it, Chief.
You have enemy heli flying over. That's an enemy! What the? I'm currently shooting someone else, please.
Get in, let's go get that helicopter.
Mind your own business. Alright, let's go. How did I get in that? What?
Let's go get back those
Enemy
idiots.
UAV
They deserve
Yeah.
this. Bail here,
they're
bail
fighting
here,
right
bail
there.
here, bail here.
More armor right here.
What's up, guys?
2 guys.
Are they inside?
Yeah, they're inside,
Yeah,
both of them there.
Down to one, the other one's on armor.
Last one on your team. Finish the
Imagine
job.
that, getting baited by Sheldon. Ow, my eye!
They were fucking rich, holy shit.
I don't have glasses, I poked myself in the eye.
Loadout drop headed your way.
I got loadout and you back?
Thanks.
Dude, they had fucking 20k, like dropped it.
Wow. They dropped it?
They dropped 20k, so they were fucking rich.
They were loaded, what the?
That's actually,
Bob,